What the f? You gotta f you! What's your fucking problem?
I got your plate and everything. I got it all on camera.
What the f?
What I little sister in the crosswalk, you cunt.
Oh,
have fun with the cop that's gonna be waiting for you at the four-way intersection.
I got a camera too.
Good, good.
You almost hit me, mother.
Good.
You almost hit me.
Good.
You
I
almost.
Wish I did. You long-haired, ass-looking motherfucker.
You.
Get out of the car.
You.
Get out.
You. Go yourself. Go yourself. Go yourself.
Let's go.
Go yourself, you queer.
Let's go.
Stupid. All of his accomplishments, he basically was a greater Pharisee. He was better.
Please say a command.
Dum i huvudet eller? Ah, såg att jag blinkade, jävla puck. Dum i...
Hit that Lexus. Wow, that Audi. What is he doing? Yep, there he goes. There is this. Oh my god. He really needs. Look, see?
Here we go. Oh, that was great.
I got that on video.
Whoa, that was a close one.
Really, what the f are you doing? What is going on? Huh? Bruh, what the f are you doing? Bro, what the?
I don't know if I'm going to be able to describe this accurately or completely. So this is the side of my van from yesterday's accident. The car that was parked next to us did all that damage when it was pushed into our car. And the van that was actually pushing all the cars around actually got to hit us here. So all our doors are twisted. We can't, we have a difficult time getting in and out of the van right now. I'm gonna try to film this without getting license plates in here. But this is the car that was parked beside us. It was pushed in us. He's moved it since, so it's now parked in the spot that we were in yesterday in the van and the video. This is the car. Again, I'm not trying to get license plates in here. This is the car still that pushed into the Volkswagen, and which then pushed into our car. So we come over here. You can see, not this, I don't even know what that is. I think that was the car when the van was being pulled out. But you can see these skid marks here. So the van was here, and the person got in the van, accidentally stepped on the gas, accelerated over here, and smashed into the gray car, the Camry, which then pushed the white car, the Golf, into our van. And then the driver, in a panic, put it in reverse, went back that way, and hit the silver car and push it over into the other silver car. So that's basically the whole thing. It was, I know you laugh because what else are you gonna do? We called the insurance company yesterday. Of course, it was after hours on a long weekend, so they just got the after hours people, and they are gonna have an adjuster call us on Tuesday because, of course, it's a long weekend. The person who was driving the van has never driven before. She is a person who will never get their license due to medical issues, but they were just trying to help because the van they considered to be not parked properly, and so they tried to move it a couple inches forward, and this is the result. This is, if there's a lesson in here, it's hard to say, but a person who knows they're not supposed to be driving vehicles ever in their life should know not to drive vehicles. But in the end, it's an accident, and in the end, nobody got hurt.